Lumière! Lumière, Ebo! Lumière, écoutez! Moment mal! 1 second! Please, wait! Послушайте-ка, Lumière! Lumière! Normალური ადამიანი მინდა, Lumière, Ebo, აღარ მინდა ამდენი კრიმინალი, შპიონი, ლაწირაკი. Lumière!
I'm sorry to disappoint you, but the name's Arnstein.
Wow! Lumière-ები არ ხუმრობენ. Did you want to say someone?
Yes. You.
Oh, hi. You know, your name in German is pronounced Arnstein, not Arnstein. But it's gorgeous.
Beg your
I
pardon.
think it's the most gorgeous name I've ever heard. And believe me, thanks to this method, I've not only heard the English names, but Italian, French, German, Russian ones.
You know, you've probably heard this very often that it's boring, but I had to come back to tell you how much I enjoyed what you did.
You would be surprised how boring it isn't. It's a real and genuine masterpiece, this method. I've learned that way the Italian language, French, Russian, English, German. I've met many, it doesn't matter. I've met especially you, Arnstein.
Nick Arnstein.
Nicky Arnstein, Nicky Arnstein. What a beautiful, beautiful name. What a beautiful, beautiful method. Mamma mia, რა გმირები, რა როლები. Mamma mia, რა კინომაესტროები. ისწავლეთ უცხოენები კინოფილმების დახმარებით, ხალისიანად, საფუძვლიანად, ეფექტურად, მხოლოდ ცელულოიდის ენებში. Action!